Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Understanding serialization in REST APIs. Serialization is the process of converting an object into a format that can be easily transmitted over a network or stored in a file. In the context of REST APIs, serialization is crucial because it allows complex data structures, like objects, to be converted into a format, usually JSON or XML, that can be easily sent over HTTP. Why is serialization important? 1. Data interchange. REST APIs often need to communicate with clients that may be written in different programming languages. Serialization allows for a standardized way to encode data, example converting an object to JSON. 2. Efficiency. Serialized data can be smaller in size, which makes it faster to transmit over the network. 3. Compatibility. Different systems can understand serialized data if they adhere to the same format, example JSON. Common serialization formats. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, a lightweight data interchange format that is easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. XML, Extensible Markup Language, a markup language that defines rules for encoding documents in a format that is both human-readable and machine-readable. Basic example. Let's create a simple REST API using Flask, a Python web framework, that demonstrates serialization. Step 1. Set up a Flask application. First, ensure you have Flask installed. You can install it using pip. Step 2. Create the application. Here's a simple example of a REST API that manages a list of users. Each user will be represented as a Python dictionary, and we will serialize these dictionaries to JSON format. Explanation of code. 1. Imports Flask, the main class for creating the web application. JSON, a helper function to convert Python dictionaries to JSON. Request, used to access the incoming request data. 2. Data storage A simple list of dictionaries is used to simulate a database of users. 3. Endpoints Get/users, returns a JSON list of all users. Post/users, accepts a JSON object in the request body to create a new user. It deserializes the JSON into a Python dictionary, adds it to the list, and returns the newly created user. Get/users/user_ID, returns a JSON representation of a single user based on the provided user_ID. Testing the API. You can test the API using a tool like Postman or curl. 1. Get all users 2. Create a new user 3. Get user by ID Conclusion. Serialization is a key concept in REST APIs that allows data to be easily transmitted and understood across different systems. In this tutorial, we explored how to create a simple REST API using Flask that demonstrates serialization using JSON. This example can be expanded upon to include more complex data structures and additional features as needed.